Well, good morning, traders. This is Art Dill, your Emini success coach, and this is a recap of the first week of our launch of our trading room live. And I will have to say, quite a different experience for me. Actually calling out trades rather than just trading my own account. It is Saturday morning a.m. here on the Pacific Coast where I'm located. And you might hear some malt shop oldies in the background. My favorite music. I'm going to keep this as brief as possible. If you were trying to trade this week, it was a very, very odd week for one thing. We had a big gap up on the open on Monday, 6 a.m. Eastern. The market opened after the extended holiday, and there was like I think at least a 200-point gap to the upside there. And so I was really looking for long trades. I wanted to trade retracements. Basically, I got 2 trades in that day. And that was my first day of live room trading. So, first couple of days, I definitely was pretty tentative. Kind of wanting to make sure that the actual live trading room got off to a good start. And so I was looking for long trades. I took 2 trades that day. I ended up one win, one loss. I was down. I think I ended up that day down $10 total after the 2 trades. I had mitigated the stop out loss on the one bad trade pretty well. So, and then the next day, Tuesday. So we get through that day and we wake up the next day, and I'm thinking, all right, this will be better. And I get up, I turn the computer on, and we're in an extremely narrow range. I think we were in about a 50-point or 51-point total range in the Globex session overnight, and I just shook my head because those are, in any case, tough days to trade. Took 1 trade that day. It was a winning trade. Passed on several other trades, which I think a little bit later in the week, on the next day or Friday, I certainly would have been taking. But so I only got 1 trade in on the second day of the room. So after 2 days, I had taken 3 trades. Slightly positive after the 3 trades, but still not a rocket start to the room. By Thursday, where we had a little bit more normal trading day, I started to get a little bit more comfortable calling the trades for the room members. We took 5 trades that day. 3 were profitable, 1 losing trade, and I had 1 trade that I ended up getting out of at break even. So 3 1-1 on Thursday of the week. And again, was feeling much more comfortable calling out the trades. And then Friday had our best day of the week. Friday was four trades. They were all winning trades. I traded. I put on a news trade at 5:30. We had the big jobs report that came out at 8:30 Eastern, 5:30 here on the West Coast. So I traded that using a Fibonacci retracement. After the initial spike up, I waited for a 50% retracement. And my plan was, and all of this is completely, folks, absolutely transparent. If you come into the room and I'm in a trade, you will see my trading dome. You'll see that even before I enter the trade, where I'm going to get in, what my stops will be, what my targets are. It truly is. If you have been in other rooms where the moderator won't show you their dome, you have trouble understanding where the entries are going to be, that's not my room. This room is going to be truly living up to my mission statement, which is to make understandable trading calls for the room members and make sure you folks get the training necessary to be successful traders. So, anyway, on Friday, 4-0, had a nice day. The first one was a Fibonacci retracement of the spike up. We got one contract on at the 50% retracement level, another contract on at the 76% retracement level. I had my stop below the low of the momentum bar that formed after the news release. And we almost immediately after we got our fill on the 76 retracement level, got our target of 10 points on that trade. And then we kept moving up. I got filled at 12,382 on the initial fill at the 50% fib level. And the market then, after I got my profit target on the second contract, moved up to 12,392. I had 10 points profit in that trade, but I was trying for more. I had a stop. I had a target, a buy stop above the market at 12,402. That was what I was hoping to get. That was about 6 points from the high that it had made when we had the first spike up there. 12,408 was the high, so I was trying to get 12,402. But when I did get 10 points positive into the trade, I brought my stop to break even, 12,382. And then the market rolled over and basically sold off pretty good and started to sell off even more. So I'm glad I got out of that second contract at break even. And that was the start of the day, and I had, as you can see on the recap's already been posted, so I won't go over that. That's it for the week. Again, a very slow start, but I got into the hang of it by Thursday and Friday, and so I really expect next week to be a really fabulous trading week for us. Still have a chance to get into the room next week if you visit our website, sign the guest book. I'll make sure you get a link to the webinar, the go-to webinar, and you can be in the room for the rest of the month free of charge. Come on in, check us out, because we truly are different. Have a great rest of the weekend, everyone, and I will see some of you on Monday.